VULTURE fallout remover. Yes, this is the stuff that turns your wheels purple, the stuff that everybody loves. However, I wouldn't use this as a direct wheel cleaner. I would use Vampire first, which is a wheel cleaning gel, a wheel detergent. You want to use something like that, and then use this afterwards. What this is an iron fallout remover. So this will then remove the remainder of brake dust, any iron particles that are lodged in your alloy wheels, that kind of stuff. You can also use this on your bodywork. I would probably recommend diluting it slightly for your bodywork, maybe 50-50, just to make it go a little bit further. But I'll just demonstrate how to use it. So we've already gone over this wheel with our wheel cleaning gel, Vampire. So that's always the first step for me, cleaning wheels, and then I would do the fallout remover. Generally you get iron fallout built up sort of in here. On bad wheels you get it all over the wheel, but you want to use as little as possible ideally, especially if you've got diamond cut wheels. It is safe on them, but you don't want to leave it to dwell for too long. So we basically give it a spray like that in the worst areas, concentrate it around the most, let it work in for 2-3 minutes, and it should have done its business then. You can agitate it with a brush as well. It's a little bit sort of gel-like, so it clings extremely well. These wheels are ceramic coated, and as you can see, it's still clinging to the wheel extremely well. It's a great product. A little bit goes a long way. You can also agitate it with a brush if you've got any iron filings that are quite dug in. Not so much on this wheel, it gets cleaned quite regularly, so we don't really need much agitation, but as you can see, as soon as you start agitating it, it forms up really well. We're not going to get much purple reaction on this wheel. However, if you look at the brake caliper, you can see there's plenty of iron filings on there that are just starting to go purple. And as I said, this stuff can also be used on bodywork. It's great for if you've got a ceramic coated vehicle, your coating can get clogged up with iron filings. So what you would do is take some of this, give it a good spray, particularly around your wheel arches generally. Also below the rear spoiler where you get your air vortex, you tend to get a build-up of iron filings around there. So leave the product, let it do its business. As soon as you start seeing bits turn purple, you can see in the corners. Again, this wheel has been cleaned not too long ago, so we're not going to get a lot of reaction. But as soon as you start seeing that, I'm going to give it a good rinse off. And that's that. Some wheels you get a lot of iron filings built up in the barrels, so if that's the case, give it a good soaking in there. Again, on your bodywork, you can see we're starting to get some little purple dots now. So that's the iron fallout remover doing its business. This vehicle is ceramic coated, so this is going to unclog the coating. It keeps it nice and slick. So as soon as you start seeing that reaction again, let it work in for 2-3 minutes maximum. Do not let the product dry onto the paint. Give it a good rinse off. And there you go. You can see the water beadings come back lovely there. So that is VULTURE Iron Fallout Remover. Fantastic product.